Good morning. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. Today we will start new chapter 8. Title of the chapter is Plants and Their Leaves. In this chapter we will study about the plants, types of plants and about leaves. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's see. Here is Tom. Where is Tom? Tom is in the garden with his father. He is looking that he is confused. Why is he confused? Do you know? Let's see. He is saying his father, Father, Papa, I know that plants are very important for us. We get so many things from plants. We get directly or indirectly food from plants. There are different types of plants, but I am confused to identify them. Types of plants. Please explain me that how can I identify the types of plants? His father says, okay, don't worry. Today I'll describe about the types of plants. So let's start. Tom, you are right. Plants are very important for us. And types of plants, there are 5 types of plants. Trees, shrubs, climbers, herbs and creepers. You can see different types of plants in this garden. Tom, now see, these are the examples of trees. Trees, they have thick trunks and they are tall. You can see here. For examples, neem, mango, coconut tree, orange tree, banyan tree. These are the examples of trees because they have thick trunks and they are tall plants. So, these are the examples of trees. Now see, these are the examples of shrubs. Rose and tulsi. You can see that shrubs are smaller than trees. They are not so tall as trees. They have thin woody stems. Now you can identify that what is the difference between trees and shrubs. Trees are tall. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Trees have thick trunks. Shrubs have thin and woody stems. Right? You can see rose and tulsi. What type of plants are there? They are different from the trees. So you can easily identify that these are shrubs. These are not trees. Now see, these are the examples of herbs. Grass, mint, wheat. They are not tall like trees and shrubs. They don't have woody and thick stems. They have very soft stems. So you can easily identify that these are the examples of herbs. And what are the difference between trees, shrubs and herbs? Herbs, they live for the short period of time. Like trees, they live for the long period of time. And shrubs, they also live for the short period of time. And herbs, they also live for the short period of time. The leaves, flowers and seeds of these plants are used to make medicines and add flavors to food. So now Tom, you can identify trees, shrubs and herbs. Now see Tom, these are the examples of climbers, grapevine, pea, money plant. Have you seen such types of plants? Climbers, such type of plants have thin, soft and green stems. They don't have thick and woody stems like trees and shrubs. They are also not tall like trees and shrubs, and they can't stand without support. They need support. They climb on walls, sticks or rocks. So such types of plants are called climbers because they climb. Now you can identify that such types of plants are climbers, and what are the difference between trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers. Yes, Tom? Yes, Papa, you are right. Now I can easily identify that what are the difference between trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers. Okay, now we will see the next type of the plants, creepers. Now see, Tom, these are the examples of creepers. Pumpkin, watermelon. They don't have a strong stem. They don't have woody stem. What type of stem do they have? They have very weak stem. They grow along the ground or they wind themselves around other plants, and they have very heavy fruits. So you can easily identify that such types of plants are the creepers type. Now Tom, you are able to identify the types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Trees, they have thick trunks, they are tall. Shrubs, they are not as tall as trees. They are shorter than trees. They have thin and woody stems. Herbs plants, they don't have thick stems. They have soft stems. And climbers, they climb on walls, sticks or rocks for support, and they have thin soft stems. And creepers, they have weak thin stems. They grow along the ground or they wind themselves around other plants. Now you can easily identify them. Yes, Papa, I can easily identify the types of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now students, all of you have understood about the types of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers and their examples. I hope that all of you are able to identify the types of plants. Now you have to read this chapter properly and you have to understand this one. What is your assignment for today? Now see, your assignment is, what are five different types of plants? You have to write down about the types of plants. What are five different types of plants? And you have to also give two examples for each types of plants. All of you know about the types of plants I have taught you today: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers, and about their examples. So you have to write down these things in your notebooks. This one is your homework. Now it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. See you in the next class.